said, you are my sunshine. She said, you are my rain. He said, you are my comfort. She said, you are my pain. How now can we find contentment in the words the blackbird sang? Lord have mercy on my soul. Lord have mercy on my soul. I went down to the river. You went up to the sun. I went down there so all alone. You went with everyone. Where now is the satisfaction in the words the white birds sing? Lord have mercy on my soul. Lord have mercy on my soul. Oh, and mercy was the angel of paradise. Oh, and mercy was the river that took us there. Oh, and mercy was the song of the fire and ice. Angel of mercy, lead us out from our despair. He said, you are my future. She said, you are my past. He said, your words will start me. She said, they'll be the last. How now can we find contentment in the song of an earthbound bird? Lord have mercy on my soul. Lord have mercy on my soul.